Hi, it's John from Gate Expectations in Cymru, and I'm here to show you how to fit a gate ring latch as part of our gate fitting guide, which you can find on our website and on YouTube. The ring latch comes in 5 pieces. We've got this, which is your ring latch handle. That's a key. That's a receiver. As you can see by the one behind me, that all fits on one side of the gate. The side of the gate that fits on is dependent on which way the gate opens.
As you can see in the following picture, if you stand at the back of the gate and the gate opens towards you, then the ring latch handle, receiver and keep fits to this side of the gate. And likewise, while still standing at the back of the gate, if the gate opens away from you, then the ring latch handle, receiver and keep fits to the front of the gates.
Your other part of your ring latch is your spindle bar, which goes through the gate. And your plain ring handle, which fits on the other side of the gate from the ring latch handle. So unfitted, sort of looks something like that. You probably can't see because my hands are in the way. Ta-da!
The first part of the ring latch that will fit will be the ring latch handle. Start off by positioning this on the rail of the gate, and you want about a 50mm protrusion of the latch bar itself. And of the rows of the ring latch where you can see the 4 screw holes, centre that part on the rail across the width of the rail. Before we screw the ring latch handle to the gate, we need to first drill for the spindle bar that goes through. A quick and easy way of finding the position of the spindle bar is to mark the 4 screw holes through the rows onto the gate, as you can see now. Remove the ring latch handle, and using a rule and a pencil, just joining the screw holes up to form an X on the gate. Where the 2 lines intersect is where you drill through. The drill bit that I'm going to use to drill through the gates is going to be a 16mm drill bit. The spindle bar I'm using is 10mm, so you want a bit of clearance just to save anything fouling up as you're trying to turn the handle. You also don't want to drill right the way through the gates from one side. You will end up splitting the face of the gate as the drill bit bursts through. What you want to do is use a drill bit with a point or spur on the end, drill through one side of the gate until the spur just starts to protrude, then open the gate, and using the little hole that you can just see on the face of the boards now, line your drill bit back up with that and drill through to complete your hole. You can set up a depth stop using something like a piece of insulation tape or masking tape or something similar. Once you've got your hole drilled, go back to the other side of the gate, grab your ring latch handle and the spindle bar, slot the spindle bar into the ring latch handle and put into position on the gate. Once the ring latch handle's in position, pre-drill the screw holes using a 3 or 4mm drill bit, and then screw it up to the rail of the gate. Once the ring latch handle's fitted to the gate, we want to fit the receiver. Now if you're fitting the ring latch to a pair of gates, the receiver will go on the second gate. If you're fitting a single pedestrian gate, the receiver will fit to the post. In this instance, as I'm fitting a pair of gates, the receiver fits to the second gate in the pair. Now the receiver is positioned in such a way that the latch of the ring latch handle sits in it and the bottom edge of the latch is horizontal. The last thing to fit to this side of the gate is the keep. This just slides over the latch and fits to the gate. When it's correctly positioned, the bottom of the ring latch bar is in contact with the keep, and it's positioned in such a way that when the gate closes by itself, the latch bar will just lift up as it hits the receiver and then drops into place. It can be a bit fiddly to fit, so your easiest way of doing it is to hold the keep in position on the gate and just try pushing your gate closed, and if the latch bar, when it meets the receiver, lifts up and drops into place, you know you're in the correct position. Once it is in the correct position, pre-drill it with a 3 or 4mm drill bit as before and screw it to the gate. Once you've got the keep screwed to the gate, it pays just to swing the gate closed just to make sure that it still works and locates itself into the receiver properly. If not, just adjust it accordingly. All that's left to do now is to fit the ring handle onto the other side of the gate. This just slots over the spindle bar and should, unless your spindle bar's too long, fit against the face of the gate. When it's in the correct position, again using your 3 or 4mm drill bit, pre-drill the 4 holes. And then it's just simply a case of screwing the ring handle to the face of the gate. It always pays once you've done, just to double check that everything still works. Give both handles a turn, make sure the latch bar still lifts up and drops into place when it hits the receiver. If you visit the ring latch fitting section of our gate fitting guide on our website, I've also put a few tips on there about how to cut your spindle bar if it's too long, and also what to do if you end up cutting your spindle bar too short and you find your ring latch doesn't work. If you found this video useful or helpful at all, then please give us a like or a share, and it's much appreciated. Thank you.